Knowledge gained from experience for practical use. Track claw, the climbing aid for caterpillar drives. For practical use by experienced machine operators. Hettec Components, an engineering company based in Großaal in Salzburg, produces and distributes exchangeable parts for caterpillar drives. The goal is to increase the road traction of caterpillar tracks in terrain with difficult ground conditions and a steep slope. In this process, quality is Hettec's basic requirement, an irrefutable priority. Depending on the construction machine, various climbing aids have been developed for double and triple base plates. Braces on each end help prevent lateral slippage. Track claw compact. For compact excavators with an operating weight plus steel chains of up to 9 tons. Track claw pad. For caterpillar excavators with rubber base plates. Claw 500 pad is securely attached using 2 screws. Track claw S and SE are entirely made from Hardox wear plates. Lateral slippage is prevented using braces on each end. 2 screws hold them in place. The system offers the following advantages. It is universally applicable and improves traction on the ground. Track pads are protected because no welding, cutting or drilling is necessary. Fast assembly and disassembly guarantees effective use of climbing assist without any electricity or special tools. Since the safety of the operators is much improved, there is less downtime. Hettec Components also offers solutions for unusual sizes, like asymmetrical track pads. Many years of development and testing on the job have led to a product which exactly meets the needs found in practice. Hettec track claws turns your excavator into a chamois buck.